millions of government funds will be disbursed. Naniniwala ka ba na mayroong existing syndicate sa loob ng DPWH?
Your
Mr.
Honor,
Bryce.
in my own opinion, base lang po to dun sa nakikita ko, at yes po, Your Honor. Meron
Yes.
po.
Kasama ka ba doon?
Ako po, kagaya po ng sinabi ko, hindi po ako kumikilos ng hindi alam ng boss ko. Kumbaga lahat po
So,
ito utos sa
sino
akin
ang
ng
boss
boss ko.
mo?
Si Boss Henry Alcantara po.
Sabihin, kasama si Henry Alcantara sa sindikato ng DPWH.
Sa pagkakaalam ko po, opo.
Okay, meron ba mga ilang pangalan na pwede mong sabihin sa amin kung sino-sino ang involved yan? Mula USEC, ha?
Ang madalas ko po kasi naririnig sa kanya is si Yusek Robert Bernardo po.
Diba?
Wala po. Yun po ay ang sinasabi niya about sa mga senatorial funds.
So, ibig sabihin, lahat ng kanyang sinabi kanina ay kasinungalingan.
Yes, Your Honor.
Okay. Oh. Na okay na ba yung picture natin na sinabi ni Mr. Bryce?
Mr. Chair, if may I,
Engineer Bryce, yes.
the picture of the conversation of D. Alcantara and Senator Joel Villanueva, their disappearing messages was taken picture by one of my colleagues. So if I may, can we ask him to explain?
Ano yan, Mr. Bryce, Mr. Chair?
Uh, the picture was taken by someone else, Congressman Abante.
Kaya unang-una, sino nagbigay ng mga, sa picture na yan, napapakita mo, sino ang involved dyan? Ikaw ba? O si Mr. Alcantara?
Si Mr. Alcantara po, kasi po disappearing messages siya, kaya medyo kailangan mabilis po ang pagbasa. So, pinicturean na lang po para mabasa niya.
Are we going to allow, Mr. Chair, the request of Mr. Bryce?
Is your colleague with you here today?
I think so, Mr. Chair.
Can you state for the record the name of this person?
Engineer JP Mendoza, Your Honor.
Engineer JP Mendoza is directed to
Did you take
speak
an oath,
before the
Mr. Chair?
committee.
Mr. Chair,
Mag-oath muna siya.
Mr. Chair, just a clarification. Is Engineer JP Mendoza the one to explain the context of the pictures?
Yes, he was the one who made, who took a picture of the disappearing message.
Yes, and he can accurately explain it, Your Honor.
Yes,
We should also,
we will
should also
administer the oath to him before
Yeah.
proceeding. Is Engineer Mendoza here? Please proceed to the table. COMSEC is directed to administer the oath to Mr. Mendoza.
Mr. Mendoza, please stand up and raise your right hand.
Is
Where is-
Mr. Mendoza present? Please proceed to the table. So that COMSEC may administer the oath. Yes, Mr. Mendoza is here. Please, COMSEC, please administer the oath.
Please raise your right hand. Do you solemnly affirm to tell the truth, the whole truth, and nothing but the truth before this committee? Your Honor.
Okay na yung picture. Okay na yata. Kita natin.
You have to ask him. Yes, authority is given to the COMSEC to flash the pictures being referred to. Who will provide the context of the picture? Is it going to be Engineer Hernandez or Engineer Mendoza?
Uh, Your Honor, this picture was taken in the place of our friends. So, there are, meron pong kasunod na picture yan na makikita nyo po na puro pera lang ang laman.
No, maybe you can identify the people in the picture first so that we can have more context. Who are the personalities involved, and are these personalities named by anyone in the course of the inquiry already? Sino po yung mga nasa litrato?
There are previous employees of Bulacan First Engineering District, Your Honor.
Sino-sino po itong mga ito? Mga pangalan, kailangan po magbigay ng pangalan.
Dating Assistant District Engineer po Rafaelito Marcelo, dati pong Maintenance Chief Ernesto Daos, Planning Chief Ernesto Galang, Administrative Officer Evelyn De Jesus, Chief Ruben Santos ng Materials and Testing, at yung accountant po namin na si Chief Jun Mendoza, at saka si District Engineer Henry Alcantara po, ang aming boss, at saka po si
Mr. Chair.
si Yusek Robert Bernardo po.
Would it be possible kung may isa-isa, kaya bang ma-point yung mga faces on the screen?
Okay na yan siguro. I think everyone, the names had been stated already. It's okay, Congresswoman Ko. Thank you. Okay, we can proceed to the next picture, please.
Yan po, sabi po nila, hindi po sila magkakilala. Baka naman po fan lang siya.
Can we state for the record who the personalities in the picture are?
Yung boss ko po, si Boss Henry Alcantara, at saka po si Senador na akala po niya ligtas na siya.
Sorry, we have to have proper decorum, please.
I'm
We have to
sorry.
state for the record the name of the person and the occasion that we are talking about.
I believe, Your Honor, ito po yung birthday sa Soler na ito nga po yung parang sa 10th po ng Soler ginawa yung birthday ni Senator Jinggoy Estrada po.
Again, to be very clear, who are the personalities? Please state for the record in this picture.
Si Boss Henry Alcantara po, at saka po si Senator Jinggoy Estrada po.
Thank you. Next picture, please. So again, these are pictures with known personalities during the birthday of Senator Jinggoy Estrada. Is this correct?
To be honest, Your Honor, I do not know when this picture was taken, but I'm just trying to show that Mr. Alcantara, Engineer Henry Alcantara, and Senator Jinggoy Estrada have met a couple of times already.
And they appear, what do they appear? Do they appear close?
And they appear super close, Your Honor.
All right, thank you. Please proceed. Next picture, please.
So,
So what is the context of this picture for the benefit of people that are looking? Can you describe who had taken this picture and kindly explain the context, please?
kung maalala ko po, ako po ang nagpicture nito. Kasi dyan lang po ako nakakita ng ganyan karaming pera. First time ko po yan. Kaya pinicturean ko, natuwa po ako. And po, that's for inaayos po ni boss yan.
Mr. Chair, sino yung taong yun na naka-blue?
Can you state for the record, sino po yung napicturean na nakatayo sa harap po ng mga pera?
Yung half body po, si Boss Henry Alcantara ko po yan.
Okay. Kanino binigay ang pera, Mr. Chair? Kanino binigay ang perang yan?
Hindi, sorry. Sige, pakikwento po muna yung, what is the context of this picture?
Yan po, ang context po niyan is, kung makikita niyo po, magkakahiwalay po yung pera. May mga designated person po na pagbibigyan yan, Your Honor.
So,
Can he name them kung sino pagbibigyan ng mga perang yan?
I'm sorry, Your Honor.
sino po daw yung pagbibigyan ng mga pera po na yan, supposedly?
Ito na nga po yung sinasabi ni boss na sa mga...
Alright, next picture, please.
Chair. pwede lang po maklarify saan ang lugar at anong date ng picture na yan.
Saan daw po yung lugar at saan yung date?
Sa office po namin yan, sa Bulacan First District Engineering Office.
Okay, napakalinaw po. May limpak-limpak na salapi sa district office mismo.
Kailan?
No? At kailan?
I believe mga 2022 po or 2023 yan.
Alright.
Something like
Chair, meron namang mga paraan para ma-determine yung precise
Yeah.
date. Diba?
I
Yung
think we will get
metadata
the
ng-
we will get the
Impor-
metadata of
Yes,
this
importante
for
po yun.
submission.
At
Yes.
to clarify, pasensya na po, to clarify lang po, normal po ba sa opisina ng gobyerno, ng DPWH, na merong ganyang files of cash sa mga transaksyon ng gobyerno?
Please
Sa mga
respond.
regular na transaksyon ng gobyerno?
Please respond, Mr. Engineer Hernandez, please.
sa
All right. Just answer, please.
Sa
Then
office-
we will proceed.
sa office po namin, normal po yan.
Okay, next picture, please.
Mr. Chair, just to clarify, Mr. Chair,
Okay, Congressman
Pakita nga
Sutay.
isang picture po.
kay Engineer Bryce, yung on the lower right portion ng picture, can we go back to the
Pakibalik
picture?
daw po.
Yan, may papel, yung bond paper.
Opo.
Yung bond paper sa may nakasulat. Yan. Ano yan? Rundown ng project ba yan?
Yes, Your Honor.
Mr. Chair, mayroon akong tanong kanina.
All right.
Sinabi niya,
Next picture, please.
sinabi niya na mayroong nakatoka na tatanggap niyan. Gusto kong malaman kung sino ang mga taong dapat tumanggap niyan. Alam niya eh.
Your Honor, hindi ko po alam kung sino. Basta kami po, inuutusan lang po na ayusin yung mga pera. Itong amount na to para sa ganito, ihanda mo dyan, may pagbibigyan yan. Ganun lang po, sinesegregate po namin yung mga pera. Yun lang po. And the rest, kagaya nga po ng sabi ko, is ang
Yan,
politiko
look
po,
at that.
ang politiko or yung proponent po, si Boss Henry lang po ang kausap.
Okay,
Ano
next
yan?
picture.
Mr. Chair, para ba yan sa project?
Next picture. Can we explain?
Mr. Chair,
Well,
para
Congressman
ba yan sa
Abante.
project o sa tao? Bibigay ba yan sa tao o para sa project yan?
Yes.
Please respond.
As far as my knowledge is concerned, ibibigay po yan sa tao. Yung nga pong tinatawag na proponent, nakausap niya.
For that particular picture, alam po ba natin kung sino ang pagbibigyan?
To be honest, Your Honor, hindi ko po matandaan na. Kasi
Alright.
that's way back a couple of years ago na.
Okay, this is the next picture with another set of piles of cash. Ano po yung context nitong litrato pong ito?
Ito po, kung ipinakita nyo yung nakita po na pinakaunang pictures na marami pong tao, this is the same exact place. So, ibig ko pong sabihin dito, sa tambayan po namin yan eh. So, yan po yung, dyan po pine-prepare yung mga pera na for delivery with regard sa mga proponent na kausap ni Boss Henry Alcantara.
Ano po yung ibig sabihin ng tambayan? Is this within the building of Bulacan First or is it a different area?
No, private resident po siya na nilagyan po ng bilyaran para we can hang out after office hours, ganun po. Within the vicinity of the of our office.
Sino po yung rinenta ba yan o binili o merong may-ari niyan?
Yes po, meron pong alam ko po kaibigan po ni Boss Henry Alcantara ang may-ari niyan.
Alright. Pero hindi po, first, to be clear, hindi po ito sa building ng Bulacan First.
Yes po, hindi po 'yan sa building ng DPWH.
At hindi naman din ho si D. Alcantara ang may-ari, ibang tao.
Hindi
Mr.
po,
Chair.
hindi po si Boss Henry.
Alright.
Mr. Chair, gusto
Congressman
ko
Benedict.
tanungin si Engineer Alcantara tungkol sa mga bagay na yan, kung ina-accept niya o dinideny niya. Sapagkat kanina, marami siyang sinabing kasinungalingan eh. Engineer
Sige,
Alcantara,
patapusin mo na daw yung mga litrato,
tapusin mo
Congressman
na.
Benny.
Meron pa ba? Meron pa?
Please, kumpletuhin daw muna natin yung mga litrato. Next slide. Alright. There is a text.
Your Honor,
I think this is a Viber message.
Yes, that's disappearing message, Your Honor.
Can you read, Engineer Bryce, the name of the person that is there, that is stated in the Viber message, and the content of the message, please?
Your Honor, if may I recommend Engineer JP Mendoza to read the actual message because he's the one who took the photos personally from our boss Henry Alcantara.
All right. Sige po, pakibasa na lang po. This is the final slide.
Good afternoon, Your Honor. Before I proceed, kagaya rin po sana ng request ni Engineer Bryce kanina, dahil medyo maselan po itong conversation na to, baka pwedeng mag-request din po sana ako ng security kung sakali.
Yes po. The committee commits to the safety and security of the witnesses and resource persons who are here, who are committed to the truth, no? So the same will be granted to Engineer Mendoza. You may proceed.
Thank you, sir. Sir, yung picture po na yan ay nung October 2023 na kung saan nagre-request po si Senator Joel ng yung mga binasa po ni Engineer Bryce ng flood control kanina na nakasaad doon sa context. 4 lang po yung napapicturan sa akin ng boss ko. Kumbaga, parang sa summary po na yan na sinasabi ni Senator Joel na mababa lang yung kanyang pondo, subalit siya ang majority floor, isa siya ang majority floor leader siya nung that time and member siya ng Commission on Appointment.
Okay. So, thank you for providing the context, but you have to state for the record who this person is. Is this senator? Nakalagay na po kasi Sen Joel eh. So, is this the senator that we know? Joel Villanueva?
Yes, sir.
All right. Can you read for the record also the content, the specific content of the message?
Again, naguguluhan ako bigla kay Sec. Parang nakalimutan ba niya? Number 1, probs sa flood control and all the efforts we put in. Number 2, for his CAA, his budget this coming year, etc. He committed sa akin. Pinakamababang commitment ng DPWH Secretary.
All right. Do we have another slide for us? Oh, ito mas malinaw po.
Mr. Chair, clarification lang. Kanino sinend yung message and sino yung SEC? When dun sa message, you're referring to a SEC. Sino yung SEC?
Secretary Manny Bunoan po.
Okay? Kanino sinend yung message na yan?
Kay Boss Henry po.
Okay,
Bakit
thank
kami
you.
kopya?
Dahil disappearing message po yan, hindi po niya pwedeng screenshot. Pinapicturean po niya para mabasa po.
Okay. Kanino pinapicturan?
Sa akin po.
All right. Thank you. So, phone to basically ni District Engineer Alcantara. All right. Next slide. Do we have other slides? Can we go back again? Go back to the pangalawang ano yan, di ba? Can we read for the record? Excuse me po. Mano. Can we ayan, second slide. Next slide. Yan. Can we read for the record what is in the second message? Para lang po malinaw. Again, this is a conversation supposedly between Senator Joel Villanueva and District Engineer Henry Alcantara, which is supposedly a disappearing message, no? Tapos pinapicturan kay Engineer JP Mendoza. Sige po. Can you read it for the record, please?
For his CA, his budget this coming year, etc. He committed sa akin, pinakamababang commitment ng DPWH Secretary. Ngayon parang lumalabas same na ang 1 and 2. Pag-usapan namin, boss, bukas, boss. So, can relay to SEC po.
Okay, all right, thank you. Next slide. This is another slide which is the same context. All right. Sige po, just read it for the record. This is another slide. Conversation between Senator Joel and District Engineer Henry Alcantara, taken by Engineer JP Mendoza. Sige po.
Yes, boss. See you po bukas 6 p.m. sa GIL. Majority leader tayo, hindi kong or just one CA member. Yes, boss, I will.
All right, that is clear. Next slide, please.
May atraso DPWH sa
Sorry, I have to provide the context. Again, this is another screenshot. This is the fourth picture. Conversation between Senator Joel Villanueva and District Engineer Henry Alcantara. Picture taken by Engineer JP Mendoza. Please proceed with reading the contents.
May atraso DPWH sa akin. So if he treats me na isa lang issue, he's not respecting me.
All right. Nabasa na ba? All right, next slide, please. Who is this person? Who?
That's from my phone, Your Honor. This is maybe nagkabaliktad po. Yung susunod po ang una. Ito po. This was way back 2022. The time when Beng Ramos was introduced to me by my boss, D. Alcantara. And sinabi niya dito na may project na binigay si Boss Henry Alcantara sa kanya. So, from WJ Construction, yung ano po, yung tao. And related sa kanya si Miss Beng Ramos, which is staff of Senator Jinggoy. Dito po is
So,
conversation.
excuse me, before proceeding, can we state for the record again who is Beng Ramos?
Staff of Senator Jinggoy Estrada po.
Staff of Senator Beng Ramos is a staff of Senator Jinggoy Estrada.
Yes po, Your Honor.
All right, please proceed.
This was the time na meron pong project na binigay si Boss Henry Alcantara kay Miss Beng Ramos through Miss Mina of WJ Construction. So, yun po yung ginamit na license or contractor. At nandyan po yung pag-uusap kung kailan po magde-deliver ng obligasyon dahil kailangan po ni Boss Henry.
All right. Sige po. Okay. Hindi, okay na. All right. Sige po. We will give District Engineer Henry Alcantara, before proceeding to the different topic na po, we will give you the right to reply.
Yung pong huling picture, wala naman pong binabanggit na ako po yan eh. Siya po ang kausap. Yung una po, yung kay Senator Joel, ang tanda ko po dyan, nagre-request po siya ng mga multipurpose building, yung secretary at that time. Tapos po, nung nando po kami sa hearing sa Senate, kinausap ko po siya, sabi niya, nagre-request ako kay secretary, papalo up po na lang. Ilan po yan? Wala naman po nakalagay dyan na ako may transaksyon ng financial sa kanya. Nagre-request po siya, normal lang po, nagre-request po siya ng multipurpose building, additional po sana, para mailagay po sa Bulacan po. Yun lang po, Your Honor.
All right,
Chair,
thank you.
Mr. Chair, 1 minute. Tanong ko lang, yung dun sa pera, ano explanation niya po?
Your Honor, yung pera po na yun, yung nasa bahay na po yun, I think po, yan po ay pera ng contractor po na nakolekta, nagamit ang ibang lisensya, doon lang po dinala, at nagkatuwaan po na picturean po yan. That's not for the proponent, Your Honor.
All right. Okay, we will proceed. Congressman, are you finished?
I still have another question for Diskaya, please.
Just,
Okay.
Congressman Benny.
Okay. Mr. Diskaya, bago po kayo nag-testify sa Senado kahapon, Sino po ang mga nakausap nyo bago yun? Pero kayo nakausap. Under oath kayo ha. Baka mamaya magsinungaling na naman kayo dito.
Wala po, Your Honor. Kami lang pong mag-asawa talaga.
Wala kayong kinausap. Yung mga abogado mo kinausap.
Yung mga abogado lang po namin, pero pinipigilan po nila kami. Pero sabi po namin ay gusto po naming magsalita. Kasi
Ito.
po, ginugulo po ng mga tao po ang bahay at ano namin. Building po, pinagbabato po nila. At
Oh.
ang sama-sama na po ng aming pangalan para po kaming talagang magnanakaw. Kaya po napilitan po kami, na-pressure po kami dahil gusto na po kaming tapatayin ng
Mr.
taong
Chair,
bayan.
kaya nga nais namin magsabi ka ng totoo ngayon para hindi ka na mapagkamalang ikaw ang magnanakaw. Di ba? Ito ha. Over the weekend, did you attend a meeting para pag-usapan ang iyong pagharap sa Senado kahapon? Over the weekend, nag-attend ka ba ng meeting para pag-usapan ang pagharap mo sa Senado?
Kami pong mag-asawa at yung mga yung mga legal lawyers po namin, pero pinipigil po nila kami.
So, meron. Ibig sabihin, nakapag-meeting ka bago pag-harap sa Senado kahapon?
Ay, hindi po. Chair, kahapon po.
Yes. Bago yung inyong pagharap sa Senado kahapon, over the weekend, siguro a week before, siguro mga Wednesday, for example,
Meeting suspended.
nag-attend ba kayo ng meeting para pag-usapan ang iyong pagharap
Wait,
sa
meeting
Senado
suspended,
kahapon?
please. Congressman
Under
Benny.
oath kayo, ha?
We'll suspend first.
Yung kanina, kasi marami nagte-text lang sa akin.
Mamaya na lang po siguro
Sige.
after the...
Okay.
Thank you.
Mr. Chair,
Restate the question na Congressman Abante, please.
inamin naman niya na meron silang meeting bago yung Senado kahapon So I would like to find out, nabanggit mo, sino-sino yung nasa meeting na yon bago ka humarap sa Senado kahapon? Sino-sino nasa meeting? Mr. Diskaya.
Your Honor, saan po meeting po? Ano po yun? Ang tinutukoy.
Binanggit mo kanina nung tinanong kita, over the weekend, did you attend a meeting para pag-usapan ang iyong pagharap sa Senado kahapon? You're under oath, binanggit mo na kasama mo yung asawa mo, lahat na. Di ba? Tayo mo?
Yes po, Your Honor.
Ayan. So, inaamin mo na kayo ay nag-attend ng meeting
Kasama
bago
po,
yung meeting kahapon sa Senado.
kasama ko po yung misis ko nang mag-usap-usap po kami ng mga lawyers po namin.
So inaamin mo na meron kayong meeting kahapon na before that, bago ka humarap sa Senado. Nagkaroon kayo ng meeting, di ba?
Meron po, Your Honor, pero kami-kami lang po, mga advisor po namin ng legal.
O naman, sabi ko sa iyo, magsabi ka ng totoo So yung nagpatawag ng meeting,
Wala po, Your Honor.
now, of course, you both know na napakabigat ng kinakasangkutan mo ngayon. A case of plunder could be filed against you along with other officials. And this is the reason why you offered to be state witness. Tama ba ako?
Yes, Your Honor.
Kanina binabanggit mo sa mga question ni Congresswoman De Lima, na hindi ka pwede magsabi ng anuman. Sinabi mo pa na magkaroon tayo ng executive session dito. Ibig sabihin, may tinatago ka. Meron kang tinatago. The fact that you requested for an executive session and later on, nagbago yung salita mo, may tinatago ka.
Wala po, Your Honor.
O naman, Anyway, I'm sure you were advised not to be a state witness. Kinakailangan kayo ang least guilty. Tama ho ba ako?
Yes po, Your Honor.
So dapat maliit lamang ang participation mo sa buong conspiracy na yan.
Yes
Oh,
po, Your
would you
Honor.
agree with me? Oh, ito. Una, Mr. Chair, kayo ang kumukuha o sabihin na natin na nabibigyan ng proyekto. Tama, mali?
Hindi po, Chair. Hindi po, Your Honor.
Hindi ikaw ang kumukuha ng proyekto? Hindi ka nabibigyan ng proyekto?
Your Honor, yung project po, pag nakuha na po namin, at saka po nila pinipilit
Inamin mo na.
kaming
Ikaw,
hingan.
ikaw ang kumukuha ng proyekto.
Your Honor, pag nanalo na po, ang nangyayari po ay hindi po namin may implement dahil po sa road right of way at saka mutual termination pag hindi po kami sumunod sa gusto
Mr.
nila.
Chair, inamin na po ni Mr. Diskaya na sila'y kumukuha ng proyekto. Ngayon, ikaw ba mismo ang sumasali sa bidding? Hindi.
Your Honor, sumasali po kami sa bidding.
Ayan.
Bidding po ang sinasalihan po namin.
At kayo din ang nagbibigay ng mga tinatawag nating SOP. Kayo din nagbibigay.
Your Honor, hindi po, ayaw po namin magbigay. Napipilitan lang po kami.
Ano yan? Ano yan? Pakiulit.
Ayaw po namin magbigay, Your Honor.
Pero, ayaw nyo magbigay, pero nakakapagbigay ka. Ayaw mo. Pero nagbibigay ka. Tama, mali.
Your Honor, labag po sa kalooban po namin ang magbigay.
Oo nga, Mr. Chair. Labag sa kalooban mo. Pero, nagbibigay ka. Tama o mali?
Your Honor, hindi po kami makakakolekta at saka road right of way problem at saka mutual termination po ang kakarapin ng project, hindi po matutuloy.
Okay, thank
Mr.
you.
Chair, yun na lamang ang mga katanungan ko, palagay ko, atin ang nakikita ngayon, ang mga bagay-bagay na dapat po malaman natin. Gusto ko lang pong tanungin, no? Nasaan po ba si Yusek Bernardo? Bakit di siya ba invited dito?
I don't think he has been invited. He's no longer with the DPWH.
I'd like to make a motion that we issue a subpoena to invite him.
I think we
I
have
so
to invite
move.
him first. We have to invite him first before the subpoena. We will invite him to the next hearing. All right.
And according to Section 11, Mr. Chair, Engineer Alcantara is guilty of perjury. I'd like to make a motion that we hold him in contempt.
Move to suspend, Mr. Speaker. Mr. Chairman.
Meeting suspended. Meeting resumed. Congressman Benny.
Mr. Chair, with the request of the very beautiful Congresswoman Janice Garin, I would like to defer the motion.
Right. Next interpellator is Congressman Jokno. And then Chairman Chua.
Thank you. Thank you, Mr. Chair. Simulan po natin kay Mr. Alcantara. Sa pagkarinig ko po sa mga sinasabi ninyo ay wala kayong kasalanan. Totoo ba yan?
Yes, Your Honor.
Ibig sabihin nun ay malinis kayo bilang isang lingkod bayan.
Yes, Your Honor.
Ano po? Ano po?
Yes, Your Honor.
Yes. At kung sinasabi natin na malinis kayo, ibig sabihin ay hindi kayo nangurakot nung kayo ay district engineer.
Yes, Your Honor.
At paninindigan mo po yon.
Yes, Your Honor.
Sino ba ang mas mayaman sa inyo ni Mr. Bryce Hernandez? Kayo o siya?
Hindi ko po alam, Your Honor. Hindi ko naman po alam ang assets niya.
Doon sa nakikita mong mga suot-suot ninyong mga relo, mga daladalang sasakyan, compared sa inyo ay sino kaya sa inyong dalawa sa pagkaalam mo?
Hindi ko po alam, Your Honor.
Okay, balikan
Pasensya
natin
na po.
yan. Sabi mo, you're clean, you're not corrupt. So are you willing to produce your SALENs while you were a district engineer?
Yes, Your Honor.
May we request, Your Honor, that the statements of assets and liabilities of Mr. Alcantara be submitted to this committee? Willing din po ba kayo mag-submit ng waiver ng bank secrecy law?
Wala naman po akong tinatago pero siguro naman po it's my right to reject po yung request niyo po. Pwede lang po.
Pakisagot lang po, willing po ba kayo na mag-waive o hindi?
I think wala naman po ako tinatago, Your Honor. Pero I think it's my right not to sign a waiver po.
So you're saying that you are not willing to sign a waiver of the bank secrecy law?
Yes, Your Honor.
All right. Sabi mo nga rin kanina, wala ka naman na tinatago. Are you willing also to sign a waiver of the cell phone records that are in the possession of the telco? Ano bang telco ang ginagamit ninyong kumpanya?
Ito po, I think Globe po yata ito.
Globe. Ilan po ang cellphone ninyo?
Dalawa po, Your Honor.
Dalawa, pareho po siyang Globe.
Hindi ko lang po matandaan yung isa po kung smart or ano. Hindi ko lang po ma-recall.
Okay. Okay ba sa inyo na mag-sign kayo ng waiver na pwedeng tingnan ng komite yung mga nasa text message at yung mga ibang nilalaman ng inyong telco kung wala naman kayong tinatago?
Your Honor, can I ask my my lawyer about it?
Sure.
Thank you po.
Mr. Chair. Chairman Chua, please.
Your Honor, I would like to not to sign the waiver because something personal po at may pampamilya po dyan, Your Honor. Thank you po.
So
Sorry po.
Ayaw nyo mag-waive ng bank secrecy, ayaw nyo rin mag-waive ng inyong records sa telco. Okay lang naman po yan. In the earlier testimony here, when you appeared in the first time before this committee, sabi mo you simply relied on the representations and certifications of your team. Naalala mo yon?
Yes, Your Honor.
Sino-sino yung mga sinasabi niyong nasa team ninyo na nirely po daw ninyo?
I think project engineer doon po sa unang pumipirma sa statement of work and accomplish po. I think it's the project engineer. Ito pong mga na-discover, the project engineers, I think is Engineer RJ Dumasig. The implementing section po is Engineer JP Mendoza. And then, kasunod po nun yung ADE and then ako po. And then when it comes naman po sa payment, it's the accountant who will sign and review before po yung dokumento ay dumating sa akin. Once signed po na accountant, I'll be signing in po, Your Honor.
Ano po pangalan ng accountant?
Juanito Mendoza po.
Tapos may nabanggit kayong RD. Ano po ang pangalan?
Ay, RD? Sorry po, JP Mendoza po. Siya po ang implementing section.
May I
Siya po
know-
ang pumipirma po sa voucher. Bago po ang accountant, saka bago po ako.
So ilan sila lahat?
I think meron pa pong materials, another certification. Mga 5 po siguro, Your Honor po.
May we request that you submit in writing the names of all those team members that you claim you relied upon. May we know, Your Honor, from the names mentioned earlier, if any of them are present today or have been invited to this committee hearing?
Can we restate the names, please, so that the COMSEC may check?
I think first is the project engineer in charge of the project, Engineer RJ Dumasig.
Is RJ Dumasig here, present? Is he present?
Engineer JP Mendoza is the second to sign the statement of work accomplished. And then accountant po is Juanito Mendoza po, I think, you know.
COMSEC, can you check who is present? among the people that had been stated?
Your Honor, may tanong po? Hindi ko po
Hinihintay
nakuha.
po natin.
Then, check po. Comsec po ang sasagot. Can you check if the persons mentioned are present, aside from Engineer Bryce, Engineer JP? The other persons mentioned.
Can I, sir?
RJ Dumasig. Is he here?
Mr. Chair,
RJ is here. Who else? There's one more person I think that has been mentioned.
sir, we will just read the names. Can you please stand up to be recognized? RJ Domasig,
Yes, he is here. Alright.
Jason Hauco, Romeo Francisco,
Romeo Francisco. All right, they're all present. Congressman Jokno.
Your Honor, can I add po lang po? Tungkol lang po sa person, pagpa-final payment po kasi, may inspectorate team pong involved doon sa, sila po yung nagpa-final inspection. I just want to add lang po, Your Honor.
May we ask, Your Honor, those names mentioned who are present to take a seat? I have a few questions for them.
The mentioned resource persons are directed to go to the table, and that COMSEC is directed to administer the oath.
Mr. Chair, just
Congressman
a short,
Marcoleta, yes.
just a short interjection. Since tinanong po ni Kong Chel kung sino po yung mas mayaman sa dalawa, yung DE or yung ADE, probably we can also direct the same instructions to the ADE. Yung ano po, yung mga waivers po na hinihingi ni Kong Chel ay maaari pong i-direct sa ating ADE. Total sila po ay nasa isang district engineering office lamang. And also with the manifestation na kung si ADE po ang naitalaga para maghanda po ng mga cash, hindi po kaya kasama rin siya sa for the boys. Hindi po kaya siya liable din dito.
Mr.
Dahil
Chair,
sinabi po niya kanina, yung mga titles na binanggit for Senator Jinggoy and for Senator Joel Villanueva, baka lingid po sa kaalaman ng mga manonood natin na mga titles po na yan, yung mga flood control mitigation ay nanggagaling mismo sa district engineering offices. Yun lamang po. Salamat po.
Thank you.
just a manifestation, Mr. Chair. I intend to propound similar questions to
Yes.
the others.
Where the mentioned resource persons, we have to administer the oath to them. COMSEC is directed to do it.
may we request Mr. Domasig, Jason Hauco, and Romeo Francisco to please approach. Please stand up and raise your right hands.
Mr. Chair, good afternoon po. On the first hearing po, nag-attend na po kayo. I already administered po my oath.
Okay, thank you. Do you solemnly swear to tell the truth, the whole truth, and nothing but the truth before this committee? Oath has been administered, Your Honor.
Right, the answer in the affirmative. Congressman Jokno, please proceed.
Thank you, Mr. Chair. Isa lang po ang tanong ko sa inyong tatlo. Nabanggit kanina ni Mr. Alcantara na kayo daw may kasalanan at wala naman daw siyang ginawang mga pagkakamali. He
Mr.
said he
Chair.
relied on your representations.
Mr. Chair, good
May
morning.
I ask you to respond to his statement?
Good afternoon po, Mr. Chair. Actually po, hindi po ako nabanggit ni Mr. Alcantara. I was recently designated po as OIC District Engineer August 11 po.
Your name, please.
Engineer Jason Hauco po.
All right.
I
Thank you.
was not even mentioned po by the Henry Alcantara po. Hindi
Thank
po
you.
kasama dun sa inspectorate team, Your Honor. Thank you po.